Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse your video in Snapchat. So we need to record a video. So let's start. Okay, so I recorded a video. Now let's play. So the video is playing in loop now. In the screen, just slide your finger and look for different filters. Just slide, slide, slide. These are not this filter. Slide, slide, slide. Yeah, until you see this. This is the rewind filter. So So like you can notice, we here in rewind. So this is the rewind filter, guys. We need to find this rewind filter. You will apply this to the video and the video will play in rewind. So that's all, guys. Likewise, you can rewind your video in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.